Winning is all about teamwork.
Cool, I'm so ready.
When done correctly, certain moves with your teammates can help you go faster.
Yeah, I know. I just need to get the hang of that slingshot move.
It's all about the timing.
Amy, it looks like there's a big guy hiding over there in the shadows. Also, that cloud looks like Froggy.
That's nice of you. Come on, we need to get going. The race is about to start.
I wonder if that big guy is racing.
I think I'm getting the hang of these moves.
Froggy always says that practice makes perfect.
Away I go! Time's almost up, so don't slow down. Man, that's what you get. Over, Hedgehog on a mission. Hey, I'm cool. That takes it again. Over, Hedgehog on a mission. Excellent drive on annihilation. That takes it again. Step aside, I got places to be. Monkey aim on annihilation.
What happened to that big guy? I wonder what he was doing.
What did you say, Big?
Aw, the Froggy cloud is gone.